Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming prerequisites and taking the first actionable steps. First, make sure Windows Update is current and back up important files to OneDrive or an external drive. Once done, open Start, type Settings, and check System about to confirm hardware meets Windows 11 requirements. This prevents compatibility issues. Then go to Personalization to set themes and taskbar behavior. This immediately shapes workflow. These early moves speed later steps and avoid lost work or surprises. Next, you configure core features that change how you work. Set snap layouts and virtual desktops to organize windows. This reduces clutter and speeds task switching. Then align the taskbar to center or left. Depending on reach, small changes matter. Enable focus, assist, and customize notification rules so interruptions only happen when needed. Also, check privacy and security to set camera, microphone, and app permissions. That prevents apps from accessing data unnecessarily and keeps your system secure while you work. Finally, you complete setup and secure recovery options. Install latest drivers and run Windows Update, then reboot to ensure settings apply. Create a restore point and enable file history so you can roll back if something breaks. If you hit problems, use Device Manager to update drivers and run the built-in troubleshooter for network or audio issues. This resolves most faults. If Windows behaves oddly after a change, revert the restore point. Testing one step at a time avoids cascading failures.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.